Okay.
Okay, so moving patients with the new Phillips monitors. The patient will always be attached, this information will always be attached to this box. The monitor also stores information, but that is not where we want the information to stay. We always want it to be with the box. So whenever you move a patient from one bed to the other, bring the box with you. And I know this created confusion in the past, so I'm going to show you guys how to make this work for sure. Okay, so your monitor, you're going to turn your monitor on. You're going to plug in your monitor. And unfortunately, it takes a few minutes for it to do its thinking piece. But the monitor will start thinking, okay, what's plugged into me? So this little screen here, because I have nothing plugged into the box that's giving me the screen, it's not happy with me. Normally, if I had all the adjuncts plugged into it, it wouldn't have given me that message. But if it does, you can ignore that box. This is the box that counts. Okay? So this is the box that has confused us over and over again for a long time. For all of our purposes here at St. Joseph's Hospital, you will never ever select same patient and new patient. Ignore those two options, they don't exist. Now, these two options here, so one of them is a representation of the monitor, which stores information. The other one is a representation of the brick or the brain of the system, which is what that represents. If we had the patient registered right now, we would actually see the patient's name here, which would actually facilitate a little bit. You just pick the patient that you have. So when in doubt, you will always pick the icon that represents the brick, okay? Now, this is gonna ask me, do I wanna move over the information from the other monitor to this one? And I will say, yes, I do wanna do that. And again, it's gonna ask me readmit patient isolation 2. I'm going to confirm that. And then it's now going to bring over all of the information into the box with the patient. Now, once in a while, you may see another screen asking you, there is data stored on the monitor. It's talking about the screen, not the box. If there's data stored on the monitor, we do want to delete that information. We're not storing information on the monitors. So that's the one extra window you might see. I hope that kind of explains it for you. And that's it.